Are you laying down in the tunnel?
Where are you, Coley Bear? You like your fire engine? Can you sing Wheels on the Bus to Aunt Courtney? Say thank you, Courtney. Thank you, Rafal.
Are you laying down in the tunnel?
I see that boy. He's just going in and out and in. He's having a blast. You weren't kidding. This was much better than a... Well, who knows what he would have done with a big wheel, but I don't think he's ready for it. And suddenly he emerges. The escape hatch. In and in. Of course, we opened this just before he's got to go to bed. We're going to get him good and tired.
Hey.
Move!